Hi everyone! Welcome sa aking channel. For this video series ay ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-solve ng mga related rates problems. Before we continue, please like, follow, and subscribe to my social media accounts. Ang ating example number 2 ng related rates problem is about geometry, particularly about the dimension of a rectangle. Ang sabi ng example number 2, the length of a rectangle is twice its width. At what rate is its area increasing if its width is 10 cm and is increasing at 0.5 cm per second? So basically, ang ini-imply ng ating problem is ano daw yung increasing rate ng area kung ang increasing rate ng width ay 0.5 cm per second given that the width is 10 cm at ang length ay twice ng kanyang width. To solve this kind of problem, ganito yung ating step-by-step procedure. Step number 1 is we're going to define the variables and the unknown quantity. Kasi hindi pa natin alam yung mismong function na gagamitin natin to have the related rates. So, we're going to let A for area, which is the usual, capital A for area. Then, para sa width, we're going to use W. For the length, we're going to use L. And base sa ating problem, ang length daw ay twice ng width. Kaya ang ating length ay magiging 2W. Pagdating naman sa unknown quantity, ang pinapahanap ay increasing rate ng area. Therefore, ang denotation nun or notation nun is dA over dt because rate of increase of area with respect to time. Given that the width is 10 cm and the width is increasing 0.5 cm per second. Kaya siya dW over dt. After that, ang step number 2 naman natin is we're going to determine the formula relating the variables, then do implicit differentiation with respect to t or time. So remember na ang kailangan natin is area and the increasing rate ng area. Therefore, dapat magkaroon tayo ng formula for area. Remember na ang formula ng area natin with respect to rectangle is LW or length times width. And then, we all know na yung length base sa ating problem ay twice ng width, kaya siya naging 2W, then times another W. Kaya ang formula ng area natin ngayon is 2W squared. Now, proceed tayo sa implicit differentiation. So, kukunin natin itong implicit differentiation nito with respect to time. So, ito ay area. Pag kinuha natin ang kanyang derivative with respect to time, siya ay magiging dA over dt. Then, ito namang 2W squared, kukunin natin ang kanyang derivative, pero magkakaroon siya ng dW over dt. Kaya ang answer natin dyan is dA over dt is equal to derivative ng 2W squared ay 4W. Then, meron tayong dW over dt. Now, ito na ngayon yung gagamitin natin sa next step. Ang ating step number 3 is we're going to substitute the values of W and dW over dt. So, balikan natin yung nakuha nating sagot sa implicit differentiation. That is dA over dt is equal to 4W times dW over dt. Now, isa-substitute natin yung 10 cm para sa W. Then yung 0.5 cm per second para naman sa dW over dt. So ito ngayon ay magiging dA over dt is equal to 4 times 10 centimeter times 0.5 centimeter per second. So, i-process natin yan, then i-simplify. 4 times 10 times 0.5 is 20. Then, centimeter times centimeter per second ay centimeter squared per second. Kaya ang ating dA over dt is equal to 20 centimeter squared per second, which is the increase of area with respect to time. Therefore, the area is increasing at a rate of 20 centimeters squared per second. That's the answer for our problem. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and share. Then, pakipollow na rin po ako sa aking mga social media accounts. Thank you!